In this video, how to find recruiter on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to find recruiters on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type keywords such as recruiter or hiring manager. You can also type recruiter followed by your field. For example, recruiter marketing or recruiter IT. Press enter to see the search results. Now click the tab called People. You will see a list of recruiter profiles. Use filters to refine your search. You can filter by location or company. Click on a recruiter profile to view more details. Read the profile information and professional experience. Check if the recruiter works in your field. Now click the Connect button. You can add a personalized message. Write a short and professional message. Explain that you are looking for job opportunities. After that, click Send to send the request. Once the recruiter accepts, you can send messages. This is how you can find recruiters on LinkedIn easily.